Okay, there's another type of data type, and it's called it returns the type of a variable or an expression being used in the program. Okay, let's begin this program. Doc type HTML. Open up the HTML tag, open up the body tag, paragraph. The type of operator returns the type of a variable or an expression, period. Alright, and open up the paragraph tag. ID is equal to demo. Alright, and open up the script tag, document dot get element by ID demo dot inner HTML is equal to type of John line break where comma is closed plus hit enter. Type of, it's going to give you back the kind of variable you're asking for. Okay, type of 3.14 plus br plus type of false plus br line break plus type of 1 2 3 4 plus br plus type of curly bracket name single quote John age 34, close the curly bracket, and end of statement, close the script tag, close the body tag, okay, and close the HTML tag. Let's save this program as type of, okay, and also save as, okay, it's already saved as type of. I want to save it as HTML. Alright, and let's find it here. Type of TT all the way down. MNOPQRST. Yes. Okay, so if you look at the statements, type of, this is string, this is number, this is boolean, this is object. Remember, the array is a type of object, and then of course an object again. Okay, object and property, type of name John, and who has an age of 34. This is also object. So you can request for a type of by asking JavaScript, how do you read this object, and how do you read this data type, and it will return you the type of data type. Okay, Okay, there is another type of data type known as undefined. Let's look at the program that explains this data type. Doc type HTML. Open up the HTML tag, open up the body tag, and P both the value and the data type of a variable with no value is undefined. Okay, write this in bold. Be undefined. Okay, dot close the paragraph tag. Open the paragraph tag. ID is equal to demo. Close the paragraph tag. Open up the script tag and say var person document dot get element. Let me make sure. Okay, element. Oops. Get element by ID demo dot inner HTML is equal to, hit enter and write person plus insert a break plus type of person, close the script tag, close the body tag, and close the HTML tag. Great, let's save this file as undefined. Undefined one. Okay, because I have another example coming up. And also save it as .html. And let me find this file, undefined. It will be all the way at the bottom, we know. Yes. Okay, both the value and the data type of a variable with no value is undefined. Check this out. Person or type of person, this is undefined, so its value is going to be undefined. Another example to demonstrate this. Okay, I have another example here and I'm going to save it as undefined too. Let me do that right now. Save as undefined too. Okay, just to demonstrate that if you don't define the value of a variable, it will come up as undefined. Okay, let's begin programming. Doc type HTML. Open up the HTML tag, body tag, open up the paragraph tag and say variables can be emptied by setting the value to, and make this bold, undefined, close the bold tag and close the paragraph tag. Open up the paragraph and say ID is equal to demo and open up the paragraph tag. Open up the script tag, var person is equal to curly brackets first name double colon John, last name Doe, age 50, eye color blue, close the curly bracket, end of statement. Document dot get element by ID demo dot inner HTML is equal to person. Okay, let me begin person in a new line. Person plus, add a break here, BR, case closing word commas, plus type of person. Alright, close the script tag, close the body tag, and finally close the HTML tag. Okay, this is already saved as undefined, but I want to save it as HTML as well because I want to see the output on the browser. Save. And where is undefined 2? Variables can be emptied by setting the value to undefined. Okay, and you can define var person and type of person. Var person, and you had these values for var person, and then var person you defined a value called undefined, and if you call it person plus break type of person, both are undefined. So variables can be emptied by setting the value to undefined. So you do undefined and you will delete all previous data. Okay, there's the second last thing before the final thing in this section, in the data type section, is it's called the empty value. Okay, let's write a program called empty so that I can explain the concept behind empty value. Okay, let's begin typing. Okay, an empty value has nothing to do with the undefined. An empty string variable has both a value and a type. Its value is empty and type is string. We'll learn more about it in this program. Open up the doctype tag and say HTML next to it. Open up the HTML tag. Open up the body tag. Paragraph ID is equal to demo and close the paragraph tag. Excellent. And then open up the script tag and in the new line say var char is equal to empty string. End of statement. Then say document dot get element by get element by ID demo dot inner HTML is equal to double quotes. The value is, make sure there's a space between the double colon and the closed inverted commas, is plus car plus, add a break, plus the type is type of car. Close the script tag, close the body tag, and close the HTML tag. Alright, let's save this file again. Okay, I've already saved the .txt file. Now I want to save the .html file. Okay, all files. .html, save. Let me open up this program. empty abcde. There you go. The value is, and the type is string. It's going to return a string type. Okay, the car is, the type is string, the type of car. This guy here is going to return your data type. Okay, so please make sure you take note of these. The type is type of car, which is string. Alright, perfect. I have one more example before I close this video. Okay, now we're going to write a program that is based on null. Okay, in JavaScript, null is nothing. It is supposed to be something that doesn't exist. Unfortunately, in JavaScript, the data type of null is an object. So you can consider it a bug in JavaScript that type of null is an object. It should be null. You can empty an object by setting it to null. Alright, so you have this program here which is going to demonstrate just that. Let's begin coding. Doc type HTML body. Open the paragraph and say objects can be emptied by setting the value to, make it bold, null, and close the bold tag. Okay, and say, close the paragraph. Yeah, open up the paragraph and say id is equal to demo, close this bracket, close the paragraph tag. Then open up the script tag and say var person is equal to, open up the curly bracket and say first name double quotes John, comma, last name double colon double quotes Doe. Okay, and age double quotes 50, eye color is blue. How cool is that? Okay, and end of statement. And then you say var person is equal to null. Okay, and then document dot get element by id demo and then you need to say okay, open up the bracket and then you need to say dot inner HTML is equal to type of person. Okay, and end the script tag, the body tag, the HTML tag. Alright, cool. I'm going to go ahead and save it as null. Okay, and also save it as or files .html. Save, and let's find the file null. Okay, let me see, where is n? Null. Objects can be emptied by setting the value to null. So we set the value of var person to null. Okay, and it can be emptied like that. Okay, there's one last thing that I want to show you is the difference between undefined and null. How do you explain that? Let's look at this here example here. Doc type. This is the last example for this video. Doc type HTML. Open up the HTML tag. Open up the body tag. Open up the paragraph tag. Paragraph ID is equal to demo. Alright, close the paragraph tag. Open up the script tag. Within the script, say document dot get element by ID demo dot inner HTML is equal to, let me open another line, yes, type of undefined plus add a break plus new line, type of null plus add another break plus null is equal to undefined plus add a break plus null is equal to undefined and end of statement, end of script, end of body tag, and end of HTML tag. Perfect. Let's save this. Okay, I'm going to save this as different div. Okay, that's it. And also going to save it as HTML .html. Save. Let's find the file. It should be at the top. D difference. There you go. So type of undefined plus break is an object. Type of is undefined. Type of null is object, and if null is equal to undefined, which is false, and null is equal to undefined. So this is what you see. Type of undefined is undefined, type of null is object, and null is equal to undefined is false, and if you assign null to undefined, it is true. Alright, so with this I'm going to end this video, and up next we're going to talk about JavaScript functions. Alright, JavaScript functions coming up next. Okay, see you shortly. Bye.